Honestly, every store should have a self-checkout, in my opinion.
Take us through that. I mean, some of the stores are primarily Cashierless.
It's more of a guided self-checkout.
I reached out to Gilbarco and said, we want to do self-checkouts. And now here we are.
Customers, they'll come right in, and then they go up to the self-checkout, and we're like, are you paying like cash or card? And if they're like, card, I don't need you. And boom, they're out, 45 seconds tops.
I mean, they can get in, scan their stuff, and leave before we even see them.
One person can run 3 registers and monitor 3 customers without a problem while they're stocking cigarettes.
More attention to whether bathrooms need to be cleaned, trash taken out, whatever.
I'm still here if you want to talk to me. If you want to say hi, Brian, in the morning, I'm still here. But we still got to have someone here to brew coffees. We still have to have someone do age verification.
Reallocating what you're already using, and you got a much better store presence.
Yes, customers are like, oh, you're not going to have a job. You're still always going to need that cashier for something.
People don't realize how easy it is. We can walk them through it, and they're like, well, that was easy.
It's honestly easy peasy.
That's what it really comes down to, is just demystifying the technology. People find it intimidating and daunting when they find something new in a place that they go every single day. And when you have someone to sit there and walk them through that and show them this is how easy it is, now boom, you've got that many more customers going through those self-checkouts.
This is the 3rd time that I've redone the transaction counter because we're trying to make it better.
This is the epitome of it. Being able to watch customers get in and out as effectively as possible, freeing up our associates so we can maintain high cleanliness standards, opened up more space on the counters. And we didn't even look at it for retail space. We looked at it as we could put another express lane there and get one more customer in and out of the door. Efficiency, it all comes down to efficiency nowadays.